He's a bad beast on that barbecue, on the grill or the smoker. He knows just what to do. He's a bad beast on that barbecue.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, welcome back to another episode of Bad Beast Barbecue. Hey, today we're going to do something that I found on Facebook, okay? You know, there's a lot of good cooks out there on Facebook, and you peruse through all of the pages and you see all these fabulous photos and things. Well, a while back, I ran across this smoked shrimp scampi dish that was done in a cast iron skillet on the smoker by Mr. Kevin Gray of Graysway Barbecue. If you look at his Facebook page, man, and some of his pictures, man, the cat knows how to cook, man. He's got some great looking food out there, man. We've tried this dish in the past and it is fantastic. I told him that I was going to do a video on it and it's way overdue. So the wife wanted some of this today. So I'm going to break this down. It's very easy. It's very simple. And we're going to go ahead and knock this out today. Hey, I'm going to put some contact information and links for Graysway Barbecue on Facebook and things. So, hey, hit the guy up. Check him out. He's got some fantastic stuff out there. Hey, Kevin, we're going to go ahead and knock this bad boy out. So, hey, hang around. We're going to do this this quick prep work. Now, our recipe is going to be slightly different from his recipe because he uses Old Bay in his recipe, but I'm going to use Tony's Cajun seasoning in mine just because the wife is allergic to Old Bay. Okay, so and it's very simple. It's got lemon juice in it. It's got a Mrs. Dash. It's got melted butter, garlic. It's a very simple recipe, but once you throw it out in the smoker, let it hang out there for about 45 minutes to an hour, man, it is a fantastic dish. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy prepped up and thrown out on the smoker. Okay, guys, so we got everything up here that we're going to need to put together Graysway smoked shrimp scampi, okay? So what we have here in this pot here, and it wasn't necessary for me to show you how to put this together, is 1 stick of unsalted butter. It's 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, and it's the juice of 1 lemon. And I melted this on low so that the butter wouldn't really separate, okay? And so it's nice and liquidy. So we're going to pour this down in the bottom of our skillet. Coat the bottom. Like so. All right. And now we're going to add our shrimp. Now, the shrimp that Kevin used was some jumbo shrimp, so they were real big. But we have a 30-40 count shrimp, and we're going to keep them in the shell. His, I believe, was out of the shell. We're going to go ahead and use these. We used these last time, so we're going to go ahead and place these in. So it's just a matter of arranging your shrimp in your butter, lemon, garlic concoction. And last time we did this, we had 2 layers of shrimp in the skillet, okay? So we're going to put these all together. So let us go ahead and finish this up here and we'll be right back. All right, guys, so we got all of our shrimp arranged. As you can see, we got 2 layers of shrimp. Like I said, Kevin used some big shrimp, so he had them nice, pretty, arranged and all symmetrically and things of that nature. So we fit as many of the shrimp in as we could here, but they're all in the butter sauce except for the ones on top. And last time, the ones on top still got that garlicky butter flavor also. We're going to touch them up a little bit with a little bit more Tony's seasoning on top. Now the shrimp has been marinating with some Tony's seasoning for about an hour in the fridge. And last but not least, we're going to be using some Italian seasoning. Now, Kevin, he used Mrs. Dash. I was out of Mrs. Dash, so we're going to use this Italian herbal seasoning here, which is probably close to Mrs. Dash as we could get today. So I'll have to make sure I pick up some Mrs. Dash when I get to the store next week. So we're going to sprinkle this all on top. All right, like so. Booyah. All right, so we're going to go ahead and stick this out in the smoker for about 45 minutes to an hour until the shrimp are done and cooked all the way through. It has that nice orange color, and it shouldn't take very long at all, okay? We're going to be using the Tec 680 today because my Weber already has some ribs on it, so I can't use the Weber right now, so we're gonna throw this out there in the big 680, and we're gonna let it cook between 250 and 275 degrees until they're done. So hey, let's head out to the deck. All right, guys, we're done, and this Graysway smoked shrimp scampi looks fantastic. Let me go ahead and give you guys a close-up look at this. All right, guys, check it out. You can see all the seasonings. The shrimp are a great orange opaque color. Look at the butter sauce, the garlic, and the lemon juice. This smells absolutely fantastic, and it's such a simple dish, but it came out fantastic. So let's go ahead and have a taste test. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and grab one of these shrimp off top. It's covered with butter and garlic. Looks fantastic. And go ahead and peel this right quick. Now, if I had used shrimp that were already peeled, we wouldn't have to do this, but it's not a big deal, even though they're hot. Kind of used to peeling hot shrimp, being from Louisiana and all. But if you want to just buy the ones with just the tail on, then that's fine. You don't have to deal with that, okay? Alrighty, let's go ahead and have a taste. Man, oh man. Man, Kevin, you got a fantastic dish here, man. The garlic, the Cajun seasonings that we use from the Tony's, and I imagine it'd be the same way from the Obey. The garlic, the butter. The shrimp is cooked perfection. They're not rubbery, they're nice, they're tender. They're juicy. The last time we had this, we had some toasted French bread that we used to dip into the sauce, just like you would do if you had a bowl of mussels. So this is fantastic. The wife is gonna love this, okay? So hey, once again, check out Graysway BBQ on Facebook. I'll put some links down in the description block. Hey Kevin, fantastic dish, brother. Thanks a lot for letting us go ahead and do a video on this. And maybe we can do some more in the future. So, well, hey, that's all we got time for today. Like we always say, where there's smoke, there's fire. If it's fire, then damn it, there just might be a barbecue there. Whew, or a few shrimp around the smoker. Hey, see you guys around the smoker. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate the support. If you guys are interested in seeing some more of our Bad Beast Barbecue videos, hey, check out the couple of links here on the screen. Hey, and as always, hey, we'll see you guys around the smoker.